Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Traefik routing with Let's Encrypt on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a virtual private server, or VPS, ready for use. Log into your VPS using SSH. Update your server's package index by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install Docker if it isn't already set up. You can do this by executing sudo apt install docker.io. Once installed, start the Docker service with sudo systemctl start docker. Enable Docker to run on boot with sudo systemctl enable docker. Now install Docker Compose using the command sudo apt install docker compose. Create a new directory for Traefik by running dir Traefik and change into this directory with cd Traefik. In this directory, create a new file called dockercompose.yml. Open this file in a text editor of your choice. Begin by adding the version of the Docker Compose file at the top, version 3. Next, define the services section by adding services. Add the Traefik service configuration with the following lines, ensuring Traefik uses the correct image, Traefik, image, Traefik v2.5 command, api.insecure equals true, providers.docker equals true, entry. Save and close the file. Now create the directory for Let's Encrypt certificates using dir Let's Encrypt. Next, run Docker Compose to start Traefik with the command sudo docker compose upd. Check if the Traefik container is running properly by executing sudo docker ps. To configure a web service, you will need to create another service in the dockercompose.yml file. Add a new service below the Traefik configuration, such as myservice, image, jinx, latest labels, traefik.enable equals true, traefik.http.routers.myservice.rule equals host, example.com, traefik.html. Below the services, add a networks section to define your network, networks, web, save the updated dockercompose.yml file. Run sudo docker compose upd again to apply the changes. Monitor the logs with sudo docker compose logs f. Now, visit your domain in a web browser to confirm that SSL is functioning. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the web service secured with HTTPS. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Traefik routing with Let's Encrypt on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.